guys, I'm just getting bites over here. Look, there's a... Oh, yes. Oh, good fish. Oh, what is he doing? He's swimming towards me. Hopefully, don't have a single clue what this is. Not bad head shakes. Bream. I reckon it's a bream. Oh, you gotta be kidding. Baby catfish. Yeah, fish on. This is a bit bigger than the other one. I had a few bites, so... What is this? Look. Oh, it just came off. Yeah, still on. Shit. Got a bit of weight to him. Oh, real heavy now. Probably just a giant. Oh. Oh. On again. This guy had a very good initial hit. Is that a bream? Oh, good bream. Probably in the 20s, 25 maybe. Beautiful bream. Look at him. Wow, he has very good colours. Beautiful bream here. Probably, oh, he's probably, I say 23 maybe. Anyway, we'll get a release on him. Little bream. Oh shit, there he goes. Oh, I'm on a fish. Oh, look at that. Oh, good bream. Beautiful bream. That is a monster of a bream, actually. I don't spit the hook. There we go. Okay. I actually have the measure map with me, so let's measure him. I'm guessing 29, and beautiful fish, 28 centimeters, good fish. Gonna get a releasing on him now. There he goes, swims off. Good release. On again! I don't even think, oh, that's a lot better. I don't even think I've had my line in for the water for longer than 30 seconds and I've just hooked on another fish. I reckon catfish, definitely. Yep. That's a weird catfish. There we go. Not a bad catfish. Don't even need him though, so. Oh no. Oh, really good head shakes. What is that? Catfish. Oh, gotta be kidding. Oh my goodness. Bro. Oh, I'm on again. Oh my. Wait, my drag is super tight. Oh wait, this might redeem it. Oh, that is a humongous bream. Oh, that is a massive bream. Oh my, that is a Goliath bream. Oh! Yeah. Good bream. 33, almost. Good bream. He just inhaled that. I don't know if I can get that out.